we on? We on? Are we on? We're on! Alright! You guys, I'm so excited. We're on set of my music video today called Wicked. I love this song. Come on in. What I love about this song, Wicked, is that I came up with the concept when I was kind of dealing with a lot of social media, I guess it's hate in a way, where people judge you and tell you to stay in a box. Like, don't do this, you can't do that, you should only be this. So when I wrote Wicked with Jordan and my producer, we all got together. We're like, you know what? Just wait for it. Let me show you what I got. So I have an amazing team here. We got Kimberly and Ariana, makeup artists.
Testing blood. Testing.
Yeah, we're gonna have green blood. Oh, Kelton, yes. Kelton is really cute. Look how hot he is. This is my first time working with him and I can't wait to see what he's capable of. Brad, our intergalactic visionary director. He has so much vision and we collaborate on multiple projects together. What I love about me and Brad working together is that we kind of collaborate. We collaborate on ideas. Yeah. And I feel like you don't want to be trapped in the box. I don't want to be trapped in the box. So both of us like really explore and really not play it safe. And I feel like a lot of creators tend to be safe and afraid of what people think. Oh, this is what people want. But what's really important is like, what do you want? Right. What do I want?
And you can always do that with any sort of genre. You can tell a story that means something to you.
And not be afraid.
And not compromise. You can't be afraid.
Yeah.
And that's what this video is about. Is you can't be afraid. You have to face your fears.
Exactly. I'm launching a color line collection to tell the story. Yeah, everything's connected.
Like a spider web, which might be another theme in this video.
Yes. I'm a little scared. It's dark, it's spooky, there's holes in the walls, but I like it. The wall says Wicked on it. Only the Wicked says perfect. I love the lighting. The green symbolized Wicked and the orange symbolized the brass and hair color that we're trying to neutralize. Warm and cool colors coming together, contradicting each other. It creates that horrific, horrifying, terrifying effect.
What's happening in this scene is you're gonna walk through here as if it's a doorway, but it's so dark you won't be able to tell. You're gonna walk in and as you do the lights come up and you're gonna see yourself having a nightmare. Action and walk.
Nobody can hear me cause I'm screaming out. Running like hell, away from myself.
My character's name is Kara, and she's a girl where like she did an experiment but it went completely wrong, so I'm gonna have in like these crazy fake teeth, and I've got a mask that I wear to like cover that up. And I think I've just been living like in the walls essentially for a very long time, since Victorian era was a thing.
I worked with Mary on my superpower video shoot campaign like 2 years ago. She has so much talent. She stars in so many movies. Mary is gonna climb on top of me and take over my body and kill me. This gun isn't real, right?
I promise you the gun is fully prop. It doesn't even shoot blanks or anything.
Okay, I don't want to have like a moment.
Oh no, no moment.
When you get up to his face, could you do some kind of like...
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, yeah.
You're a demon, like you don't give a...
That is funny as right?
Cause you got me living
Okay, so now, and action.
It's not my blood to let you on me, let you control me. It's not my blood to let you on me, let you control me. Wait for it.
She is wicked. This place is very creepy, very scary, which I love, but it gets a little claustrophobic down here. It's a little bit hot.
Blood.
That's blood?
Green blood.
There's a key in his brain.
Wait for it. You ain't never seen nothing like this. Wait for it. Doing me, and you'll fucking like it.
Cut.
Okay, here we go. And let's roll camera.
We have Julie, who flew in from Canada. We've been kind of following each other for a long time on YouTube and Instagram. I'm a huge fan.
I'm a huge fan of yours.
You know how it is. You have your fair share.
Yes.
Like when people come at you and like judge you, and then you're like, well, just you wait. I'll show you what I got.
Exactly.
Wasn't wrong.
Boss.
Okay, cool.
Wait for it. Doing me, and you'll fucking like it. Wait for it. Wait for it.
Like I'm in a thong, as you can see, with spaghetti wrapped around. I don't know what this means. I'm just gonna trust the process.
And let's roll. It's rolling.
And action. So that choking moment, I really choked because the hair was so slimy and gross. I'm not scared of hair, obviously I do hair. It was more like wet, slimy hair in your mouth, and I don't do well at the dentist. Honestly, I'm getting a little bit of stress.
1, 2, 3, roll.
Wait for it, doing me, and you fucking like it.
Alright, today is day 2 of our Wicked music video shoot, and as usual, I'm having sweaty armpits. I put deodorant, but this is what I have to do. I just sit here with towels and tissues and
So we have to get you a wardrobe.
but I don't smell.
No, you smell delicious.
We were actually talking about happiness is a state of mind.
Yes.
Yesterday was a stressful day. I was getting a little pissy, but you know what? I meditate, I went to the gym, and then I became happy again. You know, honestly, when I look at this, I'm like, I don't get it, but I know on camera it always looks good because it's all about lighting. What I do love is this 80s television here, a disgusting wad of hair, but that goes to the theme of that long black hair that was like traveling around. Today I'm supposed to get my mouth stitched up, and this is the room where we're gonna do the split screen where it looks like I'm hanging on the ceiling upside down. We have the 2 twins to give it that creepy feel.
This is only the ceiling, then we flip it for the floor. And so when we do that, we have to change all the frames, but it's gonna look cool.
Away from myself, cause you got me feeling my head up and down. It's not my blood, not my blood, to let you own me, let you control me. It's not my blood, not my blood, to let you own me,
3,
let you control me.
Yeah!
1, 2, 3, 4.
Wait for it. You ain't never seen nothing like this. Wait for it.
Very American Horror Story over here.
Yeah, I love that.
I am a little bit scared of this next scene that we're doing. Kelton, the cutie patootie, is gonna put on this prosthetic piece of me with my mouth all stitched up. So that means I can't talk for like probably over an hour while we're filming. Breathe out. All for art.
Wait for it. Doing me, and you fucking like it. You ain't never seen something wicked like this. You ain't ready for it. You ain't ready for it. Cause I'm coming for you. You ain't ready for it.
Nice, that looks great.
Alright, this is my look. I have no idea what I look like.
You ain't ready for it. You ain't ready for it. You got me coming for you. You ain't ready for it. You ain't ready for it. 'Cause I'm coming for you. Wait for it.
I'm struggling, Brad.
I promise it's so worth it.
Brad is having me put my makeup on, take it off, and then put it back on, spray my hair white, rinse it off, and then put it back on again.
It's true. I'm sorry.
And my eyes are irritated right now, too.
Are they really irritated?
I'm being dramatic. Gosh. We've been going at it for 15 hours a day. It's like past midnight. We're still shooting.
Gun to my head, I won't forget. Trying to take me down, look at this money I've been making. Under your spell, trying to get help. Nobody can hear me cause I'm screaming out. Running like hell, away from myself. Cause you got me feeling my head up and down.
Look like it.
I feel like Spider-Man, y'all. Oh, this is kind of like an amusement park, like a little theme ride. This is so exciting. Make sure it's in place. Not that it matters because I'm going upside down anyway.
Okay, pull the boxes, pull it up.
Like it. Wait for it. Doing me, and you fucking like it. You ain't never seen something wicked like this.
And then we're back to my white hair and white contacts. My eyes are irritated, my skin hurts, my hair is dry.
Doing this.
That means guy likes it.
That's the end. I'm gonna take off my clothes now. Download the single. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thumbs up. Love you guys. Wicked is gonna be awesome. Mwah!